Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Dixon, local and long distance movers near me. Our expert movers know how to make certain your long distance move will not include all the stress. Whether you're moving a single state over or across the country, we're here to assist you. Relocating isn't easy, but using the best moving services can definitely make it so much simpler. We take care of all the moving needed options during the move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you want to hire an Illinois moving company, justifying the cost can seem very challenging. However, after a close look at the major perks of hiring a local moving company, you're going to see that it's well worth it. Any trustworthy moving company definitely will help you save time on your local move. Movers can also ensure you don't have to worry about injury since you don't need to worry about a heavy lifting. With our qualified movers, you get a very efficient move from start to finish. Using a local moving company like 3 Movers, you receive a very efficient move. Moving locally may be very fast, and our crew can deal with even a big move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Dixon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.